Good morning, Mr. Fauzi. I'm Leong Zhiqi. Today, my friends who are challenging and Cho Wing Shan and I would like to present about how the fourth industrial revolution being applied in the chemical manufacturing industry.
Industrial revolution is a way of describing the blurring of boundaries between the physical, digital, and biological worlds. It is a fusion of advances in artificial intelligence, robotics, the Internet of Things, and other technologies. In year 2018, Industry 4.0 is launched to boost the productivity of the manufacturing sector. So, we are going to look into how the productivity can be increased by introducing Industry 4.0 and what are the impacts of implementing this policy in a chemical manufacturing industry. The objective of our topic is to study how the fourth industrial revolution brings the effect to the manufacturing process. Investigate how the working principle of process control be applied in the fourth industrial revolution and determine the role of chemical engineer in the fourth industrial revolution.
And now, let's talk about the methodology. There are two common technologies that widely used in chemical industry, which are IoT and AI. IoT is Industrial Internet of Things. It's an ecosystem of interrelated computer devices, digital machine, and objects that are able to transfer data to each other in real time with minimal human intervention. The working mechanism of IoT is shown in the slide. The first is sensor devices. The unit operation of the process needs to install the sensor in order to monitor the operating condition and collect the data. After that is the connectivity. Connectivity is upload the collected data to IoT platform, which also known as cloud infrastructure, so the data can be analyzed and the right action can be taken. The second method is AI. One of the applications in AI is process control. The most popular strategy is the M-phase controller. This approach uses the learning ability of the neural network with the knowledge representation of the fuzzy logic. The schematic of M-phase model with two input and one output is shown in the figure 1. For example, Texmark Chemical Company in India, it works with a lot of hazardous chemical. The safety is the first concern. IoT can help them to obtain a better process analysis and to perform immediate action to solve the problem. For example, IoT can monitor the fluid level. It can reduce the risk of spills. When IoT detects the fluid level is over range, it will analyze the data and take the right action to solve the problem, such as send a signal to the opening valve to open and release the certain amount of fluid that have been analyzed to avoid the overflow. So the equipment must be all in a connectivity.
For the discussion parts, Industrial Internet of Things and artificial intelligence can replace chemical engineer or reduce the work of the chemical engineer to make it more convenient. Besides, they are possible to detect the error and correct the process control variable to reduce human error that happens in the process. For the third point, the technology can make the process control variable to reach the desired operating conditions, and it can also maximize the productivity. For the fourth point, like the previous example, the technology can help people to reduce the chance they are exposed to hazardous chemical. For the fifth point, it creates opportunity for top-line growth and enable new business modes. In conclusions, fourth industrial revolution can improve the manufacturing productivity and promote industrial growth. Advanced technologies such as Industrial Internet of Things and artificial intelligence are drawing increasing attention in chemical engineering. Although they create good work in the manufacturing process, but chemical engineering still cannot be replaced. That's all from our parts. Thank you.